Coming back from having breakfast, and I'm trying to get all my videos going since they're accumulating, and oh my gosh, I think this is, yeah, have to upload that. I'm almost done with all the videos that I have going, and I just talked with my mom and my siblings because it's Mother's Day in where they are, so they sent me pictures and everything. It was so nice. I wish I was there. I hope soon we can go. I'm still dealing with all the green card problems that they are taking forever, but it will be time. Okay, I will finish uploading this, and my dogs are calling. Good morning. It is a little early. I have to go to work in a few. I work at 8, and I was checking my list. I think I will do the restocking while I'm here. Let me get that. Some of the things that I need to restock today is, this is for my shaving. I need a new soap. I'm changing my toothbrush. Let me see what else I will need to take care. leaving work and I am coming to see if I have some of the veggies that I'm looking for. Oh gosh, that was not easy. So tomatoes, I don't need any. What is this? Zucchini, no. Squash, oh, pepper. Funny. I think I will get one of them. This is the other one, the snacking one. I need to get one. Lunchbox, that's a good name. And I got everything to motivate me myself. Tomorrow, planting and finishing some of my garden jobs. I'm so glad that it's Friday for me. Time to go. So all these last 3 days are being so hard on my body, at the point that I'm being feeling like getting sick, sore throat, coughing a lot. So I will take it easy today too. I'm not even going to play my game and try to feel better. Let's see what I do. Tomorrow will be a nice gardening day, so it will be great. Arriving from work, and I still with my work shirt, but I put some of my black and white sweatpants, and I'm going to do some gardening. Something simple today, right? Something simple. Oh, with my companion. Let's do it. Okay, I just got the dress. Well, okay, let's go. Oh my gosh, I'm tired. Now I will go to put Slaga on where I have my hostess. Oh my gosh, I'm so tired. What? What? Where is the bird? I think this is the best one I put before they were growing and after now, and they are actually doing really good. Haven't seen them eating. No more lettuce for them. Looks good. And now let's water these plants.